Hey ladies, this is Dee Dee Rockwell. I'm jumping online to tell you happy Saturday. I'm standing out here in front of our property. It's probably backwards. Anyway, this announcement is just to let you know you need to go in and say you're coming, shoot me a little message or Deb, and let us know that you want to reserve a vision boarding kit. This time in 2020, well, it was really January, we actually did these vision boards, and today I'm secretly announcing that we're getting ready to pull our permit, and that was my goal sheet on my vision board for 2020. So pull out your vision boards, see what yours was, give me a call if you were there, and I will be sure to share with you what you said your theme was, what you said your big hairy scary goal was. And we're getting together this Thursday, February 11th. We're going to be on Zoom, and we may be launching from Deb's place, and we're going to walk you through some visioning. But in the meantime, what I have for you are poster boards, I have magazines, even glue sticks. What else do you need? Scissors. And you're just going to start collecting words and phrases and images and ideas, because we know that it's getting really nerdy on you, but the brain has the reticular activating system, which the more you look at something, the more you envision yourself, the more you picture yourself and put yourself in the state of reality, the more you can turn that into your actual existence. So there's a sneak peek. You can also go online, register on the website. You're going to get a glimpse of what some of our ideas are, what vendors I'm using, and how we're going to get through this. So 2021, here's my theme, girls. It's going to be easy as 1, 2, 3. All right, ciao.